I'm so excited. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy from the Wendy Home, and today we're gonna start decorating for fall. So let's do it. I kind of got ahead of myself and started without you guys, but I wanted to show you a few things that we're gonna put up. These are my favorite lights ever. They're Christmas lights, but who says they have to be just for Christmas? So these are from Terrain Climbing Vine. I'll try to link them in the bottom. They're called the Stargazer lights, and they give off the prettiest glow. Obviously, not just lights, we're gonna put up some garland. These are from the dollar store, very inexpensive. You don't have to spend a lot to make it look pretty. However, if you do splurge, because I like decorating early, I invested in these pumpkins years ago. A mix of Pottery Barn and Michael's. So yeah, let's put these up. Okay, I was just looking through a box and I totally forgot that I bought this last year. I love opening my decor boxes because it feels like Christmas all over again. This is a pumpkin container from IKEA. Look how cute this is. I'm gonna fill this with treats and leave it on the counter. So pretty. Okay, for the dining room, what I'm thinking, I made my sister help me forge some sticks. We're gonna use this in the tablescape. I think it'll be really cool if we can put either the sticks up above the dining table or into the light and make it a bird cage. Let's see if it works. I think everything I'm about to do on the dining table is from the dollar store or thrifted. So this is gonna be super budget friendly. For example, this was a few dollars from the dollar store. Black cheesecloth, perfect for the dining table as a runner. Time is still and there's nowhere to be. Remember these that we made from the dollar store too? We're gonna use this to add some height. These cheesecloth ghosts turned out so cute. Oh my gosh. So stay a while. I glued a little pumpkin on this guy. Thrifted candlesticks, all made out of glass, and even the candles were thrifted. Black tapers. Pretty good, on theme. Bird cage time. Ooh. It's a little short. You know what? I think I'm gonna wire it so that it will hang like around here. Look, I extended it. Gonna lightly rest it here. I'm a genius! Where there is a will, there is a way. Don't go, 'cause we got time. We'll slow it over. By the way, these black leaves were from the dollar store on a garland, and I just spray painted them black and snipped them to size. Okay, we're gonna switch around the tea room. You saw the makeover. If you haven't, click the link up here. But let's change this from summer to fall/spooky season. I'm gonna do the pillows first. These are from Costco. Again, our dollar store DIY. Another budget DIY. Check out the video if you haven't for all the DIYs I mean. Okay, day 2 of fall decorating. I just came home from the dollar store. There are so many things you can make. We're gonna do some crafting as well, but first, look how cute this turned out. But I went out and bought some groceries, and another way to seasonally decorate is with fruit and flowers. As weird and as silly as it sounds, but hey, if Martha Stewart does it, I think we're gonna take a page out of her book. It might be summer outside, but it's full on autumn inside. We're gonna do another craft. I'm armed with a mocktail and a dream. So the dream is to, this is really pathetic. You need to see my plant. This is the saddest plant in all the land. I've been meaning to repot it. I finally did it today off camera, but she's pathetic. We are going to spookify this plant because it's already in the graveyard. So here's the plan. A climbing vessel for this plant with some, potentially, these tomato garden stakes, or maybe, what is this? Wait, what's this called again?
Coat hanger?
A coat hanger and some wire. And we're gonna make a cobweb. I've never seen anyone do this before, so we're just gonna figure it out together. To create a spider out of tinfoil. Can you imagine this big of a spider? Absolutely not. Okay, we're gonna shape it, wrap them in wire, out of the wire, and we're just gonna hot glue it because what the heck? I'm just gonna twist these together. We are finally going to make the cobweb. These are actually trellises for your tomatoes. I detached one of the hoops for the sewing. And when I mean sewing, I mean we're actually going to weave our own spider web with wire. Here's some inspo pics I found online. Look at that. Imagine that for your plant. I think that'll look so cool, but like on this. Okay, let's try to figure it out together. I'm literally just weaving this, like crocheting this on. Oh my gosh, this is kind of cute. I'm gonna spray paint it black. Okay, so we're gonna use some bamboo skewers also from the dollar store as the base for this little spider web. So I'm gonna attach it like this and then spray paint the whole thing. By the way, this hot glue gun is wireless and it's probably the cutest one I've ever seen. I'll link it in the description because I think it's under $30. I knew an improved spider. See, once we spray paint it, it's gonna look so much better. I told you, don't give up, trust the process. I love how this turned out. Oh my gosh, it took a lot longer because I was figuring things out, but I think I can make a second one way quicker now that I know how to go about it. But everything I did, I think was under $3 because I just bought wire from the dollar store and that hoop from the dollar store. That's all you need, and maybe some aluminum foil if you wanted to add that spider. But it's so cute. I think I'm gonna make another spider and put him right over here so that he can have a friend. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think I'm gonna put it on my window ledge for light, but how adorable. It's giving apothecary witch's vibe. There's a heat wave outside, but I'm gonna cosplay that it is fall with a hot tea. Yum. Wait. That took so much longer. This is day 2 of decorating for fall, and that took so much longer than I thought it would. I thought I would get to the entrance, do another 2 DIYs. So we're just gonna have to continue. Not that I'm complaining, because it's fall. It's October. I gotta help make dinner now. See you tomorrow.